So, you've upgraded to iOS 14, checked out some of the new features, had your fun, and now you're done with it. You're just ready to downgrade iOS 14 so that you can go back to iOS 13, and you want to know how to do it without losing any of your data. Well, luckily it's a pretty easy process. All you need is your phone, internet connection, and a computer. So let's get into it. What's up guys, my name's Thomas, and if you're new here, I cover everything Apple. Jailbreaking, iOS updates, all kinds of cool stuff. So hit that subscribe button and make sure to click the bell and click show all to be notified whenever I publish awesome new tech content. Anyway, let's discuss how to downgrade iOS 14 to iOS 13 without losing any of your data. So you're going to need to open up your computer, and I'm using a Mac running macOS Big Sur, but this works on any version of Mac. And the first thing you're going to do is open up your internet browser and go to the website ipsw.me. Here you're going to click iPhone or iPad depending on which device you're on. I'm going to click iPhone, and you're going to select which iPhone model you have. I have an iPhone 8 GSM model. And here you'll see signed IPSW. So here I have the iOS 13.5.1 IPSW. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to scroll down and hit download. And now you're going to want to connect your iPhone to your computer using your lightning cable. And I do recommend using only the Apple lightning cables, or lightning cables you know that work, because certain lightning cables that are made of cheap materials may not work as well for transferring data between your phone and your computer. So you're going to plug that into your phone, and then you're going to unlock your cell phone and just set it down. And now we'll go back to our computer, and here we will go and click on Finder, and this works if you're on a Mac running macOS Catalina or macOS Big Sur, and you're going to click iPhone. And if you're running a Mac on an older operating system, then you'll just open up iTunes and click on iPhone, and then the rest of the tutorial will be pretty much the same. So here I'm just going to close this tab out, and so here you can see I have my iPhone and it's running iOS 14, and you see check for update. Alright guys, now before you actually go ahead with this downgrade, I strongly urge you to back up your phone, because sometimes when you downgrade your phone with iTunes, it messes up some of your data and you end up needing to completely restore your iPhone. So just make a backup. If you don't know how to, I'll link below an article from Apple. There's multiple ways to back up your phone, and it's a really easy process, but it's really important that you do it. Anyway, now let's get back to downgrading your phone. And I'm going to click and hold down the Option key and click check for update. And a new window is going to pop up, prompting me to select a software file. So here in my downloads, I have the iPhone Restore IPSW, and I'm going to drag it over into this Finder window and drop it. And here it will select it. I'm going to click Open. And now you can see your Mac will update the iPhone to iOS 13.5.1 and verify the update with Apple. So I'm going to click Update. And now my phone should just downgrade to iOS 13.5.1, which is the latest signed software from Apple, without losing any of my data. Alright, so my phone just completed the downgrade, and now my phone is on iOS 13.5.1. Alright guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.